Hello, baby Nitro. Good morning. Uy! Anong tinititigan mo dyan? All of Daddy's miniatures. Ano? Yes. Yes, you're looking at all of Daddy's miniatures, aren't ya? Yes. Kala mo mga laruan mo, no? Laruan yan ni Daddy. Ang mga laruan ni Daddy, hindi parang mga laruan mo, bebe. Mga laruan ni Daddy, mga mahal. Yung sa'yo, mga mura. Yes, oh, Daddy's Dungeons and Dragons miniatures. Hey, yes, they are. Yes. Wow, what's that? Wow, that's cool. That's a Beholder Lich. Baby Nitro! Hello, Baby Nitro. What you doing, huh? Playing with your toys? Naglalaro si Baby Nitro. Yeah, hey. Yeah, Pikachu! Yeah! Andito si Nitro sa man cave. Nagsasamak-samak, nagdi-destroy ng bahay. Ayan.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up in your dyan? Welcome back to Spongebob Vlog starring Pabibo at Pabibe. Yes, Wonder Fam, it has been a while. We went to Sydney, as you can see, and that was nung ano pa lang si Nitro. Ilang buwan ka pa lang noon? Ganun. Yeah, so he was a young boy. He learned to walk in Sydney. He took his first to Sydney, di ba, bebe? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. So ngayon, Wonder Fam, nakakainis ang balita namin. So, di ba, nag-apply kami ng visa para kay Shanta, partner visa. Pininta namin yung kotse namin para makakuha sana si Shanta ng visa. Partner visa. Ang nangyari, may mistake ang marriage certificate niya. Nakakainis. Yung Philippines marriage certificate niya, may mali. Nakamali siya. Oh, not sure what's that? There's a praying mantis on the wall. Hey, on the door. Yes.
Yeah, hindi po kami kasal. Joke.
Yeah, so her place of birth is wrong.
Oh, linagay nila Karigara instead of Tacloban. Tacloban kasi ako pinanganak.
Kaloka. What are you doing, boy? You wanna get a mommy? You wanna get a mommy? Alright, you get a mommy. Go to mommy.
Can you say
Go to
tita?
mommy. Mommy's got ya.
Say tita.
Mommy's got ya.
Say
Yes, she
tita.
does.
You say tita.
Daddy!
No, not daddy, tita. Say
Isang-
hi, tita.
So they made a mistake, guys. Ibig sabihin, delayed na ang partner visa ni Shanta. Nakakaloka. Ibig sabihin, we have to apply for another extension on her tourist visa.
So, instead of, tourist visa muna ulit tapos, pero hindi naman sayang yun kasi yung stay mo dito, nag-accumulate yun na yung titingnan nila kung gaano kakatagal dito. Pag mag-apply ka na ng
Tama ba yan? Totoo ba yan?
Yes.
Yes, so yan ang plano, guys. Walang partner visa si Shanta. Tourist visa lang muna.
Ulit.
So yun, we have to pay for that. And then we gotta pay for Shanta's partner visa. Kung
Pero
naayos
si-
na yung marriage certificate niya. Pero ano natin ayusin? Ang marriage certificate mo na nandito tayo sa Australia.
Paayusin doon.
Paano natin papaayusin?
Isisend ang papers and somebody would do it.
In the Philippines.
Kasi parang, ano lang naman yun, isisend doon tapos i-ano ng attorney.
Ay, ganun ba?
Si Baby Nitro po. Oh,
Nacho, what you doing?
smiling.
Are you bugbog mami?
Kasi
Binabugbog mo si
ganyan
mami?
yung laro nila ng lolo niya. Kaya akala niya laro.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
So, Wonder Fam, ngayon po ay December 1. We are going to...
Buy a Christmas tree!
Yay!
Buy a Christmas tree! Baby Nitro, buy a Christmas tree!
Sa Pilipinas, nag-celebrate sila ng
Mag-enjoy ka na naman. Dito ka.
ng Christmas pag September. Dito sa Australia, mga end of November, nagsa-start na sila, di ba?
Can you stop walking? Because the road is so shaky. You say, Daddy, stop walking. Oh, I'm not true, Mommy. It's ouchie.
Don't hit mommy, don't hit mommy. No, 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 no. No.
Softly. Softly.
Yeah, softly. Just softly.
Mana po? Mana po?
Mana po? Mana po? Yay! Mana po? Mana po, Daddy? Mana po? Yay!
No, that's not good.
Yay! Nacho has been learning Tagalog words bit by bit. We're starting with body parts and just simple things like mano po. Yes, so he's going to understand Tagalog and baby boy. Yes, kasi half Filipino ka. Dapat lang. Dapat ganun. Hindi kaya ng ibang bata sa Australia na lumaki dito. Hindi mo mag-Tagalog. Ano ba yan? Di ba?
Tro, di ba Nitro matutong mag-Tagalog, mag-Bisaya, mag-Waray, lahat, pati Chinese.
Ewan ko lang. So yan ang update namin guys para sa inyo. Sayang ang ano ni Shanta. Pero sige lang, delayed lang siya ng konti. Pero malay mo, if ayos na ang COVID, babalik na lang kami sa Pilipinas. Tingnan natin. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Bata. Bye now!